In this video, I will show you how to upload a shirt on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is search for Roblox Creator Hub, and then after that, click on this website. And once you're here, try to log in the account, type your email and password here. So once it's done, click on login, and then after that, click on dashboard, and then go to creations, and then go ahead and click on avatar items, and then scroll down, and then here click on classics, and then here on classic type choose t-shirts or shirts here. So I will choose this, and then after that click on upload assets, and then you can upload here the shirt, the image shirt, and then after that you can name it, and then you can also add a description, and then to upload it you need a 10 robux. So when you try to change it to t-shirt, you will see here that you can upload it without robux. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.